Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a hug my younger self photo using Google Gemini. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, you can open up the Google Gemini and then you're going to use Nino Banana AI on Gemini to create the photo. You can click on create image here and then you're going to upload your photos. I'm going to use these photos, okay, and then I'm going to upload it to the Gemini, and after that we're going to add the prompt. And for the prompt, you can copy my prompt here, okay, and I'm going to submit this prompt with the photos and then let the AI create the photo for us. Okay, it's still loading. And this is the result guys. And if you want to download the image, you can click on download icon here and the image will be saved to your device. Okay, and that's how we can create hug my younger self photo using Google Gemini. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.